We know you love the comfort of your Cadillac, and we continue that comfort through the service experience. Hi, my name is Jake Concienne, Service Manager at Willis Cadillac, and I want to invite you on a tour to see what that experience is. We make it easy to schedule on our service website, or you can speak to one of our specialists at our on-site call center.
Willis Service, this is Tracy.
We have dedicated experts to walk you through your service needs and help you make the best choice for your lifestyle and schedule.
It looks like they could do as soon as tomorrow morning. Would that work okay for you?
We are located at the intersection of 100th Street and Swanson Boulevard. The Cadillac Service entrance is located directly north of the first entrance on Swanson. Just drive up to the clear service door and pull in. When you pull into the service drive, you'll be greeted by a warm smile from our friendly drive staff attendant.
Good morning, welcome to Willis Automotive.
We are committed to an excellent service experience for any maker model that you may have. We make it really convenient for you to get your vehicle serviced here. That may be our pickup and delivery in the state of Iowa, also our shuttle ride to and from work. We can provide you with one of our vehicle loaners.
Thank you.
And also, if you wanted to wait for service, we also have a very comfortable lounge that you can stay in. Our advisors can text, call, or email to make it easy to keep you updated through your vehicle process. While your vehicle is being serviced, you have the option to receive our video multi-point inspection to give you the honest inspections you deserve and to see what our technician sees by keeping your vehicle running like new. You even have the option to pay online. Now that your vehicle is finished with its repairs, we give our complimentary vehicle wash and spot vacuum. Schedule today by giving us a call or schedule online at willisauto.com to receive your ultimate guest experience.